The court panel is really a cool panel. The unique thing about it is it gives you a way to put a multi-sport court, basketball court, pickleball, tennis in your backyard, which is permeable. So let's say your kids are between 2 and 5 and you want maybe a surface for your 2-year-old to learn how to bike ride, but your 5-year-old is really interested in playing basketball. It gives you a way to put this in your backyard without having to potentially go to the city and get a special permit to go ahead and install it. And once your children turn, 15 and they're no longer interested in it, you pick up the panels, you pack them up, and you go ahead and plant your grass seed and you've got your grass back. The court panel is 28 inches by 28 inches of usable space once it's interlocked, and it's 5.44 square feet. To install the court panel first starts with a dimension. The next thing we need to determine is, do you want to custom cut and border that? Because you can order the edges and corners, which gives it a very nice aesthetic finish. You would receive the panels on a pallet. Once you've prepared the earth, which means level and compaction, then you would put your layer of geosynthetic fabric down, and then you would start the process of laying the panels. And then you play.